Here's some of these nice juicy seedlings. These are all started in the Urban Growers sand-based mix, and then transplanted. Been real happy with that. These were started, let's see what these were. So those are about 6 months old, but I think that might be straight core or something. Let's see, how old are some of these little juicy ones? Transplanted, what was that, 5 weeks ago? Juicy. The Coca-Cola, oh, here's our test one. This is the one where we did the seedling shakedown. Took them, rinsed them off in the water, threw them around, beat them up. Done really well. Didn't miss a beat. More nice juicy ones. Again, starting the Urban Grower mix and then transplanted to the Cocoa Peat and Core. Actually, Cocoa Peat and Perlite mix, I should say. Been really, really happy with the results and the progress here. And all of these have come out of that $5 box. I used that to harden them off a little bit. But they've done real well, nice and juicy and green. Real happy with those. So there's proof Urban Growers mix does work. I like them in little clumps sometimes. That's how they grow naturally, so sometimes I'll just throw the clump together and see how it turns out. I like a little bit of Darwinism in my growing.